kind of frozen here. This is the lake side of Irondequoit Bay. It's absolutely freezing out. It's like 70 degrees out, I think, or lower. With the biggest storm in a long time, about an hour away from landing. In case you were wondering where the swans were, I found them. Sounds like they're crying. I'd seen reports that the whole bay was frozen, or the lake, at least as far as the eye can see, and that appears to be true. I'm gonna make it to the lighthouse. Dang it, it's so cold up here. Have a look at this bay. It's beautiful. That's my face right now. Alright, here we go. Headed back. Check this out. How cool does that look? Alright, we're almost back to the car. Look at all these guys move. They're easy pickings now. Yeah, people, storm's literally like gonna be here. Yeah, I mean, it's already kind of here. We got people out on the lake ice fishing.